In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate your website to Hostinger, step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll move a site from one Hostinger account to another using built-in backups and a WordPress plugin, all in a clean and reliable way. Start by logging into your Hostinger Edge panel. From the left menu, Open Websites, select the site you want to transfer and click the dashboard button next to it. On the left, go to Files, then Backups, and at the top, choose View Backups. Select the latest backup and download the files to your computer. If your site runs on WordPress, you can also create a backup from inside WordPress for extra safety. Log into your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, search for WP Vivid, install and activate it, then click Backup. When it's done, scroll to the Backup section, download the backup, and save it locally. Now head back to the Hostinger Edge panel, confirm that the server-side backup is prepared, and download that one as well. Keeping both copies reduces risk in case one archive is incomplete. With backup secured, return to the main menu, open websites, click the three dots next to your site, choose delete, tick the confirmation box, and delete. Give it about 4 to 5 minutes for removal to complete before proceeding. Don't worry, your site content is safe in the backups you just downloaded. Log into your new Hostinger account, click Manage. Next to your web hosting, open the left menu dropdown and select Add Website. Choose Create a Website, click Next, and pick your setup method. We'll start with an empty PHP HTML website and install WordPress right after. Enter your domain name. If the domain is registered at another provider, you might see a notice, but you can continue. DNS configuration can be handled separately if needed. Click Next and let Hostinger set up the base site. Now open Auto Installer, select WordPress, and enter your site title, email, username, and password. Click Next, then Install, and wait for it to finish. When it's ready, click WordPress Admin to enter the dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for WP Vivid again, install and activate it. Scroll down to the WP Vivid backup area. Choose Upload. Select the backup file you downloaded earlier and upload it. When the upload completes, confirm with OK. In the backup section, click Restore, confirm Restore, and OK. The plugin will unpack your files and database. Once the restore finishes, you'll be logged out. Sign back in using the WordPress credentials for the newly restored site. That's it. You're now in the dashboard of the website you successfully moved to your new Hostinger account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.